Hey guys, today out here is 86 cartoon like I promised. Hit 68 views. But that was like fast. That's why I said that. That was fast.
What?
80 what? It's been a while since I played this game.
Yeah. Hey, you have to pay to get onto that, you know.
I did.
You didn't
I
give
still
me.
got money.
Oh yeah, let me put our names on it again. Okay, I put our names on it. Okay, I'll
I'm
bring.
gonna go in the kitchen.
No, I work there. Get in your seats.
I want to be in first class.
Okay, fine. You get first class. Is this not first class? That's the pilot's room.
I know it's first class.
Okay, pilot, here's your food.
Well, we have a high level of turbulence.
Everybody stay in their seats.
We need a co-captain.
I'm the co-captain for now. Good thing this is a private plane and you're just not supposed to be the captain.
I am the captain, see?
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna just call someone real quick.
There's somebody back here. Dude, get out of my lap. I'm not Santa Claus. Help, I can't see.
I called 911. They're coming with their helicopters.
Okay, good. There's something smashing into our plane. Prepare for impact.
What happened? What happened?
I don't know.
And it hasn't been a few hours, Amy. Why'd you say that?
I don't know. I just felt like it.
I think we're good.
I'm tired. I'm stuck in this position. Help me. Help me. I'm stuck in this position.
It's on autopilot.
I'm stuck in this position.
Amy!
Yeah.
Are you okay?
I know. I'm tired. I hate being a lion. Okay, I'm coming around with the snacks. Tell me which snack you want.
I want a Dorito bag.
You want a Doritos? Okay, I'll give you the Doritos.
I'm calling Tails. I'm calling Tails. Hi, Sonic. Hey, Tails. What's good? Anyway, we're on this plane and it almost crashed. You want to come? That's like, I'm busy working on the tornado. Okay, that's fine. Bye.
Okay, so you wanted the Doritos?
Yes.
Go take a seat and I'll give them to you.
Okay. I'm going to take a seat.
Not back here. In an actual seat.
Oh, I thought this was the flight place.
This is your seat. Right here. And I'll turn on the TV if you want.
Nope.
You're eating your chips. There you go. I'll turn off the TV.
I'm going to go make it manual.
Attention passengers. It is now nighttime. Well, almost nighttime. Wherever we're going. So I would like everybody to please stay in their seats. It was just the autopilot talking, but you should still stay in your seat. And just call me. I'm right in the kitchen if you need me to turn on your TV or anything. Watching the monitors, secretly watching TV on the monitors. Stealing some snacks off of the snack cart. I love this rated R movie. Attention all passengers or something. Everybody stay in their seats. We're about to hit a high area of turbulence.
We landed.
We did?
Yeah.
Everybody get out. We are now boarding at Brookhaven. Wow, it's pretty here.
There's a helicopter.
Where?
Right here.
Wait, we actually just called the helicopter.
Okay, it's time for a new job. Quit.
I quit my job.
Okay, I'm gonna go find me a house. I got enough money. Amy, do you have COVID?
No, I'm gonna go adopt a kid.
Not again. Not like last episode.
I don't care. Ah!
I don't want to have to make.
Oh my gosh, that plane just landed on top of my head.
Are you good?
Yeah. What do you think? I'm going to the hospital.
Oh, okay. I thought you were just gonna work there.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna work there.
Oh, okay. Let's see. I'm going to find me some houses on these house cams. Oh, a vacant lot already? Let's go. Yes, I want this lot. Bro, this house looks awesomely good. A house that Sonic the Hedgehog wants very much.
Amy the second.
But like I said, it's Sonic Forces.
Hey, I found the secret room in the hospital.
If Eggman didn't say his name in the first person all the time, maybe he would get some friends.
Hey, I found some stuff in the. I found the secret place in the hospital.
Cool. I'm just sitting back watching TV, trying to find some. I'm gonna make me some food. I love me some food. I need me some food. Don't really care. I don't want it to be Reese's chocolate and a green apple. Of course, I'm gonna eat the chocolate first. Then I'm gonna eat the Reese's. Then I'm gonna eat the apple.
Hey, Sonic.
Yeah, Amy, I don't have my phone on me.
Can you come over for the grand opening of St. Luke's Hospital?
Why do you need me to?
Because there's some people talking to me at the hospital. Can't really talk.
Guys, we'll be right back. Okay, guys, we're back. Sorry. We had to.
Do you know what that means?
Yeah. Like, girl, she's in a hospital, so.
So you can talk?
Amy, you're allowed to talk, okay? I'm gonna be. Wait, no, I'm only 12. I don't need to go to school. Let's see, I'm gonna play Sonic 2. Let's go. We're playing Sonic 2. Yes. Oh, my leg. Oh, it hurts. Oh, my leg. Help, Amy. I broke my leg.
Are you at the hospital?
No.
Where are you?
I don't know. I just fell and broke my leg. It was daycare. It hurt so bad.
Okay, would you like me to come and pick you up in an ambulance?
Yes, I broke my leg.
I just abandoned my patient.
I don't care. Help me.
I'm coming. Where are you?
I'm at the daycare.
How'd you break your leg?
There was like these poles and they're so tight together, and I was playing Sonic 2 and I tripped on the blue one.
Okay. Blue can be your worst enemy.
Uh.
Okay. Stop doing that emotion. Oh, I can't carry somebody bigger than me. Oh my gosh! Stop moving.
I'm not moving. Thank you.
No, I just gonna drop you in here. Wait, get right into that one. Get into that one.
I broke my fudging leg.
Oh my gosh, the girl's following me.
What?
I almost ran into the school.
Don't break the school. I need to check my cams.
Joel, stop ramming me! I'm sorry, I left you at the hospital. Jeez, Joel, I'm sorry.
I'm gonna play some Sonic 1. That's probably more luckier.
Yeah, next time you should play.
I broke my finger!
Oh my gosh, get in here. Oh no, I teleported back. Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming.
I'm gonna call Tails.
No.
Oh great, his phone broke.
Okay, I'm coming. Get into the stretcher. Get into the stretcher now.
It hurts.
Take you to the X-ray room. I feel better. I didn't even nurse you. What are you doing in here? Lady. Let me just close the door. That's somebody else's X-ray, by the way. Let me just close this door. Okay, you jump out real quick.
Ow, ow,
Now get back in, get back in, get back in.
That hurt. Oh, it's blinding. It's blinding.
Why are you shining lights into my eye? You broke your arm, your leg, and here, check the X-rays yourself.
I knew I broke somewhere around my finger.
You broke 3 things.
How did I break that? Oh yeah, I landed on my ribs.
And that's not your ribs.
Oh, I landed on my chest, whatever. And then I broke my leg.
Okay, okay, get in the shopping cart.
The shopping cart?
Yeah, so I can take you to your room.
Why you have to take me to shopping cart? I'm not a little boy.
Because
Take me in an actual. Take me in an actual medical equipment.
Okay, I'll take you in a stretcher. Just let me get back to where I was.
I have to check my security cams. Yep, no one's broken in yet. Okay, that's good. Can you watch my house for me, please?
Get in a stretcher.
Because I'm very rich and I don't want people to break into my house. I said I don't care about software update. Don't care.
Okay. You stay in there with the curtain closed. You're a celebrity, so you get special room.
Yeah, I saved the world a lot, and you know I'm a celebrity, Amy.
Yes. Why is my medical cabinet open?
I guess it just is.
I'll just look at the call me if you need me. Like, just yell nurse if you need me to come and do something.
Okay. Nurse.
Coming. Yes.
My leg hurts.
Okay. Okay. Do you know what I'm holding?
What? Amy, what are you holding?
Shake.
Wow! What was that?
It's a shot.
No! I'm gonna play Sonic 1.
No getting out of your bed. If you break your leg, you'll have to go to surgery. And stay in your bed.
I'm calling Tails. Oh yeah, his phone. I'll call Knuckles. He doesn't have a phone, right? Amy!
What?
You have COVID, don't you?
No.
Don't you? Where's that mask on you?
I'm wearing a mask.
Why do you put me a mask on though? No, I can't.
Here's a mask.
Here, stay back. Stay 6 feet back away from me.
I was wearing the mask I gave you five weeks ago.
Oh, my leg feels better. Thank you.
Okay. Now you're the doctor.
No, I'm not. I don't want to be a doctor. I'd rather be a hero.
Well, I'm just gonna sit here and wait for it. I'm just gonna go sit in the reading room and wait for my new customers. For any customers.
What? How do you pick your job again?
You go to that little smile guy.
I know I did it.
What's your job?
Honestly, do you have to have a job to ride a horse?
No.
Do you have to have a horse job to ride a horse?
No. You just ride a horse.
How?
Huh?
How?
Just go to the vehicles.
I know, but I did that, but I don't know how to get on it.
Okay, where are you?
I'm here.
Okay, so you go over here. There's a button above it that will let you ride him.
I know, I'm pressing that button.
Oh, it did say there was going to be technical difficulty. Why is my car shaking? Why is my car shaking?
Well, I'm just going to use my four-wheeler.
Ah!
Amy, get off my four-wheeler.
I'm trying to get a hitch to my house. Oh, there's my house. See you tomorrow. I shall rest in peace.
That's not your house.
Yes. Read the description above it. Hey. This is R.I.P. Amy's house. Well, it's time to get... great.
Is this supposed to flood?
I don't know. Good thing I brought my umbrella. Where's my umbrella? Ah, there it is.
Where's my house?
But I don't have a car. Just kidding, I do have that ambulance. I'm just gonna use the same bike you had.
Why does it have to be raining? I hate water. Is this Eggman's doing?
I don't know.
Eggman, is this your doing?
Ha 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 ha.
Amy, why are you evil laughing? Why are you creepy laughing?
Look, there's a kid walking in the road and she stopped and stared at me. Why am I such a bad parker?
I played Sonic 2 while driving.
Ow! Ow! Parked my car underneath the fire truck. Probably should have closed the door. Get onto the bunk bed. Man, I could have just taken the back door.
Ah!
Oh, by the way, I got a new job.
What is it?
I'm a firefighter.
Well, I don't have a job. 'Cause I like my job I already have. It's being a hero with my buddy Tails.
Well, I live in a fire station now. Okay, I hate my job already, and I haven't even started yet.
Are you actually gonna get a house or not?
Yes, I'm gonna get a house. The fire station is boring. There's only a bed and that's it.
I'm just assuming downtown's gonna flood.
And what do you think? I'm trying to get out of here quickly. I don't want
Guys, Station Square might flood. Hurry.
Crystal goes home. Just kidding. Hey, Mr. Devil. Nathaniel. Wealthy 16-year-old gangster.
And guys, this time we got a mic, which is awesome.
My car is getting wet.
Yes, I finally found my house, guys. Let's go. Don't care.
I'm doing a challenge.
What?
I'm unlocking my car for the night and see what happens because I live next to a gangster. And again, now I hear my car.
You really, Amy?
I think I just heard a car drive out of somewhere near my house.
There we go.
This is a test to see if I can trust Nathaniel or not. I made an amazing discovery.
What?
You can now go under. Look, so you know how you used to only be able to go upstairs in the tree house?
Yeah.
Now you can go downstairs.
That's cool.
With a laundry room. And a tree sticking for your laundry room.
I have a hot tub.
Taking off my mask.
My computer. Windows. Have the Windows 30. No. 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 Yeah, no. No. Oh, yes. No. Yeah, I'm gonna text Tails. Hey, little buddy, I hope your phone's good. I know we can text on the computer though, so yeah.
I thought his phone didn't work.
No, we're texting on his computer. Yeah, I hope your phone works. Bye.
Well, I'm watching this sad movie. Where? So sad.
This rainfall's never gonna end.
I
Like
need to
Flood
go
Station
to the
Square.
grocery store. Great. Oh, good. The Vandal didn't steal my car.
I'm gonna go driving on my 4-wheeler. Never mind. Barbecue time. It's gonna taste good. Just leave it on the grill for a while. Ah!
Ow!
That looks good.
How do I make this pool?
That barbecue is good.
Just. Do you know how to make a pool?
No. Is Jack someone you work with?
Huh?
Is Jack someone you were just working with?
What do you mean?
Like, you just called me that, but I don't have any idea who that is. Are you working with him or something?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I was also calling him earlier, so.
Oh, okay. That's sense now.
I was inviting him over to my pool party.
Whoa, that's too dangerous. Elijah, I can't color my car. I can't color my car.
Why?
Killed me.
I'm having a pool party.
Bruh, I just got murdered.
Do you want to come over to my pool party?
Nah, I'm swinging, baby.
Huh?
I'm swinging
Where?
at the park.
Oh.
Where else?
I'm having a pool party, so I'm making some food right now.
Are you making chili dogs?
I'm making hamburgers with chili inside of them.
Are you making chili dogs?
I don't have any chili dogs.
I'm not coming.
Aww. My Jackson's.
Why do you keep talking about that dude? Who is that dude?
Because I invited him over an hour ago.
I'm gonna shoot that dude.
Why?
Guys, you keep calling me by his name.
Which is always like shooting him away better.
Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang.
Did you shoot?
I'm a gangster now. Oh. I have to get in my house. House cam. Oh, I just gotta check my security cameras. Die. Die, child.
Wait.
Die.
Child?
She told me to put the gun away.
Ah, there's a fire at my house.
Like, I'm Sonic. Don't you forget.
I'm on fire.
Sonic. Run, the kid got a gun. Run, run, run. Oh, yeah, my house.
Nathaniel's breaking into my house right now. Nathaniel broke into my house. He broke into my house.
I have to get out.
You know how? You do know how gangster I am?
How?
I locked Nathaniel into my house.
I'm burning in my house.
Oh my gosh, there's a girl on fire. I locked Nathaniel in my house.
No! No! The garage door closed. I'll be safe in here, I think.
Girl.
I need to make it upstairs. Whoa. Luckily, I'm the fastest thing alive. Whoa!
No, you're not roommate. You're not roommate.
Ah!
Banned from my house. And Nathaniel tries to put. Oh, he tried to put himself out. Oh, I get it. Nathaniel caught on fire at my house. If this girl tries to break into my house, can you please?
I'm safe in here.
Daddy long legs. Oh, that's kind of specific. There's a daddy long legs outside. Ooh, I have a safe. I have a safe. I'm not telling you the code to my safe. Pool party.
Time to go be a gangster. Oh yeah. Gangster time! Gangster time! Let's go. Is there like some match that they light your car on fire with?
What?
Like, I saw people lighting cars on fire.
No, they don't light your car on fire. They just catch on fire, I guess.
No, they literally said we're lighting your car on fire.
To me?
No, to someone else.
But
Oh, I guess they're using a bomb.
oh, they're probably using the bombs.
Yeah. Okay, I got one of those. Time to go be gangster. They told me to be gangster. No, they didn't, but I want to because I want to. So I want him to unban me from his house so I can shoot them.
Who?
The guy that killed me when he banned me.
It teleported me to a random place.
Get over here, I'm trying to gangster you. I'm Sonic. And don't forget it. Get over here.
Oh, my tablet died.
No way, man. Your tablet died?
Yes.
Over here. Die! Yeah! Yeah! Well, since Amy's tablet died, we probably should end the video there. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. We're going to make a part 3 soon, though. Don't worry.